Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Defect. Defect means shortcoming or lack. For example, genetic defects. Genetic defects. Synonyms: fault, flaw, imperfection.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. A defect in this system may cause fluid retention and hypertension. Now, repeat after me. A defect in this system may cause fluid retention and hypertension. The second exemplar. These toxins can damage immune systems, trigger cancers and cause genetic defects. Now, repeat after me. These toxins can damage immune systems, trigger cancers and cause genetic defects. The third exemplar. Today, kinked tails are thought to be undesirable genetic defects in show cats. Now, repeat after me. Today, kinked tails are thought to be undesirable genetic defects in show cats.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
25% of the world's population speaks at least some English.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.